Hello folks, let's get started with today's session. Today I'm going to teach you how to develop a pie chart. Let's drag segment to details. You can click on the pie chart. You can move the segment to colors and drag sales to the angle. So you have a beautiful pie chart in front of you. You can even drag to size. You can display the labels for segment. So here you can see consumer, corporate and home office, but in a pie chart giving the numbers does not give a clear indication like how it is divided. It's better to use the percentage of total. It tells properly that 50% of the sales was by consumers, 30% by corporate and remaining 18% by home office. So it's easy to identify. Now if it's difficult for you to develop pie chart in that format, I'll teach you the easy way to develop a pie chart. Just click on the segment, press Ctrl, click on sales, and on this layer just click on the icon pie chart. So you have a pie chart, beautiful pie chart in front of you. Just you have to drag sales, follow the same format, just to label it and take the percentage of total, and you have the same pie chart ready in front of you in an easy way. That's all for today. See you in next session.